Now, good evening. So, please, this is a code pen that I ask you people to open your accounts with. Don't forget I said codepen.io. This is a code pen. So, as you open this code pen, I think you should derive at this. If you can't derive at it, you should be deriving at this place. You should be showing something similar to this, or rather this place. Then, if you want to open any new pen, like if you want to share your codes to me, then what you just have to do is you are going to come to this place, this user menu. Can you see where my cursor is? Can you see where my cursor is at the top right corner of the system? Then click on it. Can you see now? Then you now go to new pen. Can you see the new pen that is here? You now go to new pen. After going to this new pen, it's going to create a new workspace for you. So can you see that we have three new workspace? The first one is HTML, the second one is CSS, while the third one is JavaScript. Then for this HTML, you can just write your, can you see that you can just write all this. Then inside this place, you can put your HTML tag like this is Fuad websites. Can you see that now? Can you see that everything that I'm putting here is going to be running them here? This is Fuad website. Can you see that it's going to be running them here? Can you see that yourself? Then let me style. I just want to change it to blue. Then I'm now going to style my H1. Then I will now say that color should be blue. Can you see that it has changed the color to blue? Then now to put it to center, you can just say that, don't worry, you people will soon get here. Text align center. Can you see that it has already come to the center? And that's all. No need for me to be adding any JS because it's just a long step for me. So for this JS, you can just put alert forward. Can you see that now? So if this thing is going to work, can you see that the JavaScript is working? Can you see that it has already alert forward? Don't worry, everything you so understand. Then after doing all this, you are going to save. Can you see the save here? Then save. Then can you see that autosave enabled? Can you see that now? So this thing that is here, I've already saved. As I save it, if you save it like this, then if I say that, okay, oh, please share this with me, then this URL, like address it over locate this address, you just copy everything, Control C, like click on it like this, press Control A, then you now press Control C. After pressing Control A, then Control C, you now go to your WhatsApp. Then I think, what's the name of the group? Okay, this is the name of the group. Can you see that I've already come to the group now? Then you are now going to paste Control V, Control plus V, then you press enter. Can you see this now? If you people check this now, you are going to say that exactly what I put here, that's what you people are going to see if you click on this URL. Did you get that now? So that's just what I want to explain to you. Thanks so much.